Has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Lincoln County in the Piedmont of North
Gotta be fucking kidding me, huh?
Carolina, southeastern Cleveland County in the Piedmont of North Carolina.
Really?
Gaston County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, northwestern York County in upstate South Carolina, northeastern Cherokee County in upstate South Carolina until midnight Eastern Daylight Time. At 11:12 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Shelby to 19 miles west of Gastonia to 6 miles east of Gaffney, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Gastonia, Shelby, Kings Mountain, Mount Holly, Belmont, Turtle, Baltimore City, South Gastonia, Clover, and Dallas. Scattered trees and power lines will be blown down in the warned area. Seek shelter inside an interior room. These storms are also producing extremely heavy rainfall. Flooding of drainage ditches and low-lying areas may occur. Small streams will rise rapidly. Do not drive through areas where water is flowing over the road. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service Greenville Spartanburg by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until midnight Eastern Daylight Time Monday for the following counties in North Carolina, Cleveland, Gaston, and Lincoln, and the following counties in South Carolina, Cherokee, and York. This is the...
Well, at least you're back on now. Where have you been after you just gotten dead silent from that, static? Anyway... Plattsburgh has canceled or expired the severe thunderstorm warning for Bath County. Boy,